Hey guys, Market Muse here, just checking in on the charts. I want to take a look at SPY and a couple other stocks just to catch up here. So I noticed that we seem to have pulled and hit the golden pocket on this retracement, which is very significant. And it hits right on the cluster of all these resistances right here across the board. So I'm looking for a pullback, especially after this candle, which is very indecisive, kind of bearish. We have very low volume, so let's see what happens this week as more trade talks develop. Let's take a look at Apple. So Apple seemed to have done a double top on daily with a shooting star. So that gives you a warning that we're on a reversal potentially. And the next support seems to be around the 158, 159 area. And we might possibly come down and fill this gap right here. I'll add that to the watch list. Let's take a look at AMD. Very volatile stock. So this move seems to be very overextended. We can look at some indicators here. Seems that we have a little bit of room to go, but this candle seems to be a little undecisive, or not actually. It's more of a hanging man. That's bearish. If we do see a pullback, we'd be looking at support between 21.75 to around 22. A potential upside afterwards, or indication of a further downtrend. See where we stopped at. Looks like we came up 50% retracement from the downtrend. That's also very significant. It doesn't seem like we poked with strength here. We got immediately rejected by it. So that's something to consider. Let's take a look at Square. Interesting. So Square fell almost 50%. It's a straight shot. But now if you take a look, it almost looks like you're doing a head and shoulder here. With this reaction right here. Almost completing this. We'll have to wait and see how this develops. Now if we break the neckline, we'll be looking at something like this for a measure move. Somewhere around 58. You can either play the short or wait for a long entry. Not financial advice, guys. Now, although that could be a potential long entry, I'm also noticing that this also forms a giant cup and handle. But target for that would be really low. I'm not really sure that's what we'd be looking at. But just something interesting. And you'll, of course, for both cup and inverse cup and handle and head and shoulders, you're going to need to match up the volume profile to it as well. All right, so I'll update tomorrow or later today on the market and see where we're at. If you guys have any suggestions or requests on other stocks or topics to talk about, please comment below. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.